Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the password of the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account option down below, which is the last option. And after that, click on the third option, change password. You should type in your current password. After that, type in your new password and confirm your new password by typing it in again. After that, you should tap on the change password icon down below, and then your password will be updated, so you will be able to use your new one. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.